Oh snap. I bet you can't guess what this is. Hey guys, how's it going? I know it's been a while. I swear one day I'm gonna get somewhat consistent with these videos. Life's been so busy. But yeah, welcome to the channel. I've been doing a bunch of like Halloween stuff lately to get ready for like this weekend's a big Lincoln Highway sale here, which spans all the way across the strait and even into Indiana. It's a big sale. So I got a bunch of stuff over at my mother-in-law's house, and she's gonna sell stuff while I'm at work or whatever. But as you can tell at the beginning of the video, we have two big boxes. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think they are. But I bet you won't guess. You probably will actually. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and open them up. They are filament. I think I got 16 filaments for I think about $10 a piece. I don't remember what brand they are, but we'll find out here in a minute. But thanks to Zip, I make payments on these, and yeah, I needed them because, like I said in a previous video, did I? I can't remember if I said it in a previous video or not. Both my filament shelves broke because it got so hot up here that the filament snapped. So every single one of my current filament rolls are broken or mangled, so they are not going to work in the Ace. They'll work in the Bamboo. There we go. But they won't work in the Ace. So my Ace has kind of been at a standstill. I mean, my S1 has been at a standstill lately. So I had to get more filament. So let's go ahead and get on with this. Opening. Okay, so the filament is from Splice 3D. I have never used their filament before. This is not sponsored, obviously. I'm way too small to be sponsored by anybody. But they had a really good deal going on. I seen it on a Facebook Marketplace ad. Or a Facebook ad, not Marketplace. So I got a bunch of colors. And we'll go ahead and go through them here real quick. So here we got an aquamarine blue. Absolutely beautiful looking blue here. Don't know if you guys can see that with the plastic being around it. Beautiful blue. We got a spring green because I got some green because once I'm done printing Halloween stuff, it's time to start on Christmas. But yeah, here's the spring green from Splice 3D. Very vibrant green, I like that. And then we got nutty brown. This brown's just like me. I might cut that out, that was dumb. Anyways, nutty brown, just your typical brown. Hopefully my mic actually lasts longer than 5 minutes today. Been having issues with this mic. Then again, it was only $3 on TikTok, so you get what you pay for. Got industrial gray. I got a couple of those kind of grays from Anycubic. Just your typical gray. Then we got blue lilac. Blue lilac. Not looking very blue to me. Looking more lilac than blue, so we'll see. Oh, okay. I can kind of see the shade of blue. Very, very small shade, but I can kind of see what they're getting at. Nice lilac color, purple. I like it. Now we got midnight blue. I was actually kind of excited for this one, actually. I do like them darker blues. Ooh, yeah, that's a good looking blue. That is a very nice looking blue. I'm hoping you guys aren't getting any fan noise. I shouldn't be getting fan noise with this dead cat on. There's your Midnight Blue from Splice 3D. Now we got Sky Blue. That should be kind of self-explanatory. Ooh, that is a nice sky blue. Wow. That's a beautiful sky blue. I like that. And then last in this box, we have a bubblegum pink. That's one color I typically don't carry is pink, and I probably should. Oh yeah, that's nice. It's a nice pink. Give me a moment, we'll be right back. I'll get into the other box. Later. Alright, so these are pretty self-explanatory. Got your typical black and white. I got 2 each. I'm not even going to worry about opening them right now. One day I'll get a non-squeaky chair, I swear. Alright, we got Poppy Red. Like I said, these are all from Splice 3D. They had a really good deal going on. If they print well and they look good in the prints, I might keep buying them. Okay, so Poppy Red. I love that. That's a beautiful red. Holy cow. That is nice. It's going to be good. Good colors for Christmas time. Heck, and Halloween. I got Grape Purple. Here's the Grape Purple. Very nice looking purple. Now we got Autumn Orange. Perfect for like fall time things, Halloween, heck, even Christmas things too. I got a lot of filament boxes, which is good because I can use those as packaging. Autumn Orange. If I ever get my first sale, that is. Oh, let me know down in the comments your favorite video on trying to sell 3D prints, like SEO, all that stuff. Like they give you like the process on trying to sell 3D prints. Just please put that in the comments. I'd appreciate it. And last but not least, like I said, I got 2 whites, 2 blacks. I'm not even gonna worry about showing all of them. We got Lively Yellow. Okay, yeah, that's a nice yellow. That's a very nice yellow. Okay, in other news though, 5 subscribers. I'm very appreciative of those 5 subscribers. If you're new here, hit that bell down below, hit that subscription button, like it, comment. You don't have to, but it's very, very much appreciated. I'm like I said, I'm gonna try to be much more consistent. I'm gonna start getting some more like short videos put out. Right now, on the screen, I'll bring you guys with me. Right now, I'm getting ready to do a set of 4 coasters. Now, I go into like Maker World and do the all the like I'll look for stuff that are commercially sellable by anybody. I mean, if it's commercially sellable by anybody, you know, if they label the thing commercially sellable, I don't see anything wrong with that. But I will be doing 2 designs. I have 2 designs I want to work on Tinkercad throughout this week. It's a mini. Give me a second. It's a mini ceramic plant pot holder where you can put a couple plant pot holders on them, and then you can hang it on the wall or whatever. And I wanted to do a pusher stick for woodworkers, you know, for like their table saws or whatever. Just wanted to customize my own. Couple bucks, you know, online or whatever. I thought it'd be kind of cool. Yeah, I know there's a million out there, but who cares? Maybe one will sell one day. And then there's one more thing I was thinking about doing. You know what? I can't remember what the other thing was. I should have wrote it down. I'm really bad about that. My memory is terrible with my horrible insomnia. But yeah, there's just a couple ideas I thought about tinkering around, if you catch my drift, on Tinkercad. But yes, today we are going to be fixing our, we're going to double support them instead of that one single support in the middle. I got everything for that ready to go. Now I might need to build another one, so I'm going to print 4 more brackets. I did make my own mouse thanks to that Maker Lab thing that Bambi sent me with my printer. Of course, there's got to be a train. Then we're going to get something Halloween put on that. Don't mind the mess. All the white stuff and stuff, whatnot you see on the ground there is, you know, when my landlord painted, I guess. I think, I don't know, it's all paint. But we're going to get something Halloween put onto that, I think, today. And then we're going to sand it down a little bit and stain it, and then throw it on Facebook Marketplace, see what I can do with it. I did make a Halloween, ooh, I'm zoomed in still. I did make a Halloween napkin holder that you can actually tear apart when you're done, you know, with it for Halloween. I really do like that. Oh, and one of my favorite things I've made so far. I made this light box. I really like it. This one I'm keeping. Turn it on. Of course, you probably won't be able to see. I did get the weakest looking lights, unfortunately. Probably look better, you know, at the at nighttime. Yeah, you can't hardly see it right now, but yeah, I love it. As you can tell, most of my stuff's gone. My shelving there, I mean my pull-out drawers. Got some aliens and keychains and whatnot still, but everything is over at the mother-in-law's place. So I'd like to know, what are you guys currently printing or thinking about printing for Halloween and Christmas time? Let me know down in the comments. Now I think we'll get a time lapse set up for my shelving, and we'll be back with you. I just wanted to interrupt the video. I just wanted to show you guys some of this packaging from Splice 3D on some of my filament I got that isn't really a good first impression. Now, the filament seems to be fine, but the packaging on a few of these boxes, I'm not super excited about, especially trying a new company. So hopefully they can get their packaging together, maybe better boxes, something. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you. Fun. Still don't have enough room, so I guess I'll be building another one. I think I want to build my next one out of my purple pet G that I have that I'm not going to use for anything because it's the only pet G I own because I accidentally bought it. But I'll build those brackets out of the purple pet G and we'll see which holds up better this time around. I'm thinking about this coming weekend of doing a builder live stream. Of putting together keychains and necklaces and whatnot on TikTok and possibly YouTube. I don't think YouTube, but definitely TikTok. What do you guys think about that? Would you be interested? And if you're not following me on TikTok, I'll link it down below. So I think that's everything. Umbreon's still not painted. I've been kind of lacking on the energy here. But yeah, I think that's everything. Again, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button down below, like, and possibly comment what your favorite 3D printer is. Boom. Go, 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 go. Anyways, I will talk to you all later, and I appreciate everybody that stops by. I cannot wait to grow with you. Peace.